Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see who liked you on Happn without paying. But before that, please do make sure to like our video and subscribe our channel. And yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your Happn app on your mobile phone. And right over here, make sure you are logged in with your credit account where you would like to see the likes. Now if you go back, you do have lots of feature in every subscription of yours. You can see who has liked your profile, 5 super crushes per day, etc. But even without that, if you go back and here in this explore section, you will be able to explore the profiles just like how you will like. They will also be able to like your profile and explore it. Once somebody has liked it, you will be able to tap on this heart icon, aka like icon, and you can see here you will be able to find the people who have liked you. They can't be very far. In the meantime, feel free to show your best profile. You will be able to access the likes over here. If you want more likes, you can tap on this boost your profile and you can choose to boost it. That way your profile will appear in more people's account and they can simply like it, and here in the section you can check out your notification accordingly. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.